सूर्याय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। Number 2. 3. 4. Left leg back. Left leg back. Head up. Hands completely down. Next, right leg also back. Dandasana or Stickasana, table posture. Next, Ashtanga Namaskar or Sastanga Namaskar. Backside legs join. Now Bhujangasana or Snake Asana. Join your legs backside. Try to join. Now next mountain posture. Next left leg front. Head up. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next Pada Hastasana. Back good leg good front. Hands completely down. 10 seconds. 10. Try to forehead touch to the knee. Don't bend your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next to back bend. Urdhvastasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next Namaskara Sthiti.